Good morning, children. I hope all of you will be fine. So, dear children, see what is this? Have you seen it before? This is the Tower of Hanoi. So, dear children, in this video today, you will learn about the Tower of Hanoi. The Tower of Hanoi is a mathematical game or puzzle. It consists of three rows you can see or three towers. These are the three towers and multiple disks. Initially, all the disks are placed one on one road, one over the other. As you can see here, the objective of this game is to move the stack of discs from the initial tower or the initial road or the first tower to the last tower. For this game, these rules will be followed. Only one disc can be moved at a time. You can move one disc from one tower to another tower. You cannot move two discs or more than two discs to another tower at a time. Second rule, no larger disc can be placed on the top of a smaller disc. Now you will see the size of this disc is greater than the size of this disc. So we cannot place this disc over this disc. Third rule, only the topmost disc can be moved. Now, this is the topmost disc in this tower, so we can move it to another tower. In this tower, this is the topmost disc, so we can move it to another tower. It means we cannot move any disc from the bottom. The Tower of Hanoi puzzle with n disc can be solved in minimum 2 raised to power n minus 1 steps. Now let us begin this game by using 3 discs. When you are using 3 discs at a time, then the minimum number of moves will be 2 raised to power 3 minus 1, which is equal to 2 raised to power 3 is 8 minus 1 is equal to 7. So it means when you are using 3 discs, then you have to shift these 3 discs from this tower to this last tower in 7 moves. Now look at the moves. In the first move, I have shifted this disc here. In the second move, I have shifted this disc here. Now finally, I want to shift this disc from here to the last tower. So can I place it here? It is not possible because a larger disc cannot be placed over the smaller one. In the same way, I cannot place it here also because a larger disc cannot be placed over the smaller one. So in the third move, I will shift this disc here. So this is the third move. Now in the fourth move, this disc will be placed here. Now in the fifth move, this disc will be placed here. In the sixth move, this disc will be placed here. Now in the seventh move, this disc will be placed here. So here you can see in the 7 moves, I have shifted all these 3 discs from this tower to this tower. Now let us begin this game by using 4 discs. This time we are making use of 4 discs. When children you are playing this game by using 4 discs, then minimum number of moves will be 2 raised to power 4 minus 1, which is equal to 16 minus 1. That is 15. It means within 15 moves, you have to shift this disc from this tower to this tower. Now look at the moves. In the first move, I am shifting this disc here. In the second move, this disc will be shifted. Now in the third move, I want to shift this disc, but you will see both the places are already filled with discs. So first of all, I will shift this disc here. In the third move, I have shifted this disc here. Now in the fourth move, this disc will be shifted. Now finally, I want to shift this disc from this tower. But in the fifth move, this disc will be shifted here. In the sixth move, this disc will be shifted here. In the seventh move, this disc will be shifted here. And finally, in the 8th move, this disc will be shifted from this tower to this last tower. Now, in the 9th step or in the 9th move, this disc will be shifted here. In the 10th step, we will shift it here. In the 11th step, we will shift it here. Now in the 12th step, this disk will be shifted here. Now in the 13th step, this disk will be shifted here. In the 14th step, this disk will go there. And finally, in the 15th step, this disk will be shifted here. So children, you can see in the minimum 15 moves, we have shifted all the 4 disks from this tower to this tower. Now children, let us play this game by using 5 disks. This time we are making use of 5 disks. When you are using 5 disks, then minimum number of moves will be 2 raised to power 5 minus 1, which is equal to 32 minus 1, which is equal to 31 moves. It means within 31 moves, you have to shift all these 5 disks from this tower to this tower. Now children, look at the moves when you are using 5 disks. In the first move, it will go there. In the second move, it will come here. Now I want to remove or move this disk to this tower or this tower, but as the size of this is bigger than the size of these 2 disks, so I cannot place it here as well as here also. So in the third move, this disk will be shifted here. Now in the fourth move, this disk will go there. In the fifth move, it will come here. In the sixth move, it will go there, and in the seventh move, it will go there. Now in the 8th move, this disk will be shifted to this tower. In the 9th move, we will place it here. In the 10th move, it will come here. In the 11th move, it will go there. And in the 12th move, it will come here. In the 13th move, it will go there. In the 14th move, it will come here. In the 15th move, it will go there. And finally, you will be able to shift this bigger disk from here. In the 16th move, it will go there. Now in 17th move, it will come here. In 18th move, it will go there. In 19th, it will go there. In 20th move, it will come here. In 21st move, it will go there. In 22nd move, it will come here. In 23rd move, it will come here. And in the 24th move, it will go there. Now, in 25th move, it will go there. In 26th move, it will come here. In 27th move, it will come here. In 28th move, it will go there. In 29th move, it will come here. And in 30th move, it will go there. And in 31st move, finally, this disk will be shifted here. So in this way, children, we have shifted all the 5 disks from this tower to this tower. Now, children, if you are playing this game by using 6 disks, then all the 6 disks they will be shifted from this tower to this tower within 63 number of moves. I hope now you have understood what is the Tower of Hanoi. Thank you and have a nice day.